Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, my name is Claudia Walks, and if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please do so. It's free. And on today's video, we are diving deep into global economic trends. So watch this video till the end and let me know what you think about it. As we all know that Jamaica is the land of reggae, beaches and Bob Marley, right? But today we are going beyond the music and vibes to uncover a secret that is taking the world by surprise. Jamaica is quietly positioning itself to become an economic superpower, and you might not even know it. So let me break it down. So one of the key drivers of Jamaicans' rise is its strategic location. Sitting in the heart of Caribbean, Jamaica is becoming a global trade gateway. And also the expansion of the Kingston Freeport has turned the island into a shipping and logistics hub, handling cargo from the Americas, the Europe and Asia. And as you all know that the Kingston port is one of the largest and most modern in the region. And with the expansion of the Panama Canal, Jamaica as a prime spot for global shipping routes. The country is quickly becoming indispensable in international trade. Let's talk about tourism. As you know that tourism has always been Jamaica's bread and butter, but now it's evolving into a luxury and ecotourism powerhouse. Investors from all over the world are pumping millions into the tourism sector, creating jobs and boosting the local economy. We are seeing a lot of new developments, from resorts to small ecologies. It's not just about tourists anymore. It's about sustainability and creating long-term growth for the community. But it's not just a tourism and trade. Jamaica is making waves in the tech space too. Tech hubs like Kingston are becoming incubators for startups. And the Jamaican government is actively encouraging innovation and digital transformation. What I know is that Jamaicans have got a lot of untapped potential in Jamaica. And the startup culture is growing very fast. With more support from the government and private investors, Jamaica could easily become a leader in the Caribbean tech scene. Another thing is that Jamaica is also leading the way in renewable energy, aiming for energy independence. The island has invested heavily in solar, hydropower, wind, and this is by reducing its reliance on expensive imported fuel and positioning itself as a green energy leader in the Caribbean. Jamaica's focus on renewables is not just about cutting costs. It's about becoming more sustainable and resilient. And by investing in clean energy, Jamaica is laying the groundwork for a long-term economic stability. And let's not forget about the culture. Jamaica's influence on the global culture, especially through music, cuisines, and also sports, remains unmatched. What started with reggae has evolved into a global cultural export that continues to bring in billions of money. Jamaican culture is one of the country's biggest exports. From Bob Marley to Usain Bolt, Jamaican icon continues to put the country on the map by creating opportunities for future generations. So, while you may still think of Jamaica as just a vacation paradise, the truth is the country is on a quiet rise to becoming an economic force. With growing investments in trade, tourism, tech, and the renewable energy, Jamaica is positioning itself as a Caribbean powerhouse with global influence. The future for Jamaica looks so bright, and the world better be ready to see this island nation take its place on the global stage. And not forgetting about the land. Jamaica's fertile land have long supported agriculture, but today the nation is focusing on expanding its role in the global food market. From high-demand products like Blue Mountain coffee to the rise in organic farming, Jamaica is diversifying its exports. Jamaican agriculture has always been strong, but now we are seeing innovation in the farming techniques and export strategies. They are focusing on premium quality and sustainable practices, which are highly valued in international markets. And this focus on agricultural excellence is not only boosting exports revenue, but also empowering local farmers and creating sustainable jobs across rural communities. And the government of Jamaica has established Jamaica as a reliable and attractive location for foreign investors. Through diplomatic efforts and new trade agreements, Jamaica is integrating into the global economy in ways that strengthens its position as a rising economic power. And as one of the leading voices in CARICOM, that is the Caribbean community, Jamaica is playing a pivotal role in regional politics and economic development. And by advocating for stronger Caribbean unity and cooperation, Jamaica is setting itself up as a regional leader. And also know that Jamaica is using its leadership in CARICOM to push for regional policies that favors economic integration and stronger trade. And this strategy is allowing the country to leverage its influence not just within the Caribbean, but also in negotiation with the larger economies. This country is more than just a tropical paradise. It's a nation on the rise. With the right investment in infrastructure, tech, trade, and energy, and a growing presence on the global stage, Jamaica is quietly building the foundation to become an economic powerhouse. And also the journey ahead won't be without its challenges. But with the resilience, innovation, and strategic partnership, Jamaica is well on its way to realizing its potential as a global economic leader. So, what do you think? Could Jamaica become the next economic powerhouse? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into global economic trends. See you in the next video. Work good.